to showcase some of my favorite Barbie characters. The pop star is wearing a nice long pink sleeveless shirt with fur and a silver necklace matched with pair of blue heels. The model, wearing a cocktail pink tube dress paired with a pink necklace and pink wedge high heels. The glamorous, in blue long gown, simple yet elegant, lovely. The edgy is with a sexy jumpsuit, knitted type fabric paired with roller skates. My little Barbie Chelsea is comfortable with her purple dress. Now that I've shown you my favorite lineup of Barbies, I hope you enjoyed it as I did. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Send me your likes and comments. Until next time, bye-bye.